Hello. Here's a quick little tip on how we can easily control animation through code. Our final result will allow us to play an animation by changing a value in the inspector. Let's get to it. So in the scene I have a camera, a directional light, a geometry in the shape of a path, an object called AnimObject with a cube inside, and an empty game object called scripts, which we will add our script to. I have also created an animation clip and an animation controller. So the animation I'm using for this tutorial is just a quick block of an object following a path. Let's apply this animation to the scene. Select the anim object containing the cube, click add component, then type animator. Now drag the animation controller over and then add the animation clip to the animator. I'll rename this state to path just to keep it simple. Now let's create a C# script. In your project view, right-click and navigate to C# script. I named this script AnimSlider. The script itself is very simple. Create a public animator variable named animator, a public float variable named t for time. I also converted the float to a range so that it appears as a slider in the inspector. Then let's create a start function, and inside we set the animator's current speed to 0. This means once we hit play, our animation will stop on frame 1 and freeze. Then in the update function, we want to call the animator's play function. We feed in the animation state, which is path, and -1 to play the first state with the given name, and then our t value. And that's it. Now inside Unity, select the game object called script and add the AnimSlider to it. Drag the anim object containing the animator onto the AnimSlider, and now if you hit play, you'll be able to control the animation through our script. This looks really cool, but there is a slight glitch. If you slide all the way to value 1, the cube will fly back to the start. Because our animation clip is set to loop by default, and therefore wants to start the animation again as soon as it reaches the end. To solve this, select the animation clip and uncheck looping. And that's it. Now the animation will stay steady at the end and you're ready to go. This method can be used for many things, playing an animation backwards, or replace the cube with a camera and you have an art directable camera rail system. I hope you found this useful. That is it for now. See you soon.